guys, I'm Veronica. I'm Vanessa, and you're watching Food Truck Fanatics.
So we're here with Grant and Essie from the Bison Burger Truck. So guys, can you tell us a little bit about your truck and what makes it different from other trucks here in LA?
Well, what we like to do is bring healthier products and products with awareness actually to people. And we carry bison, elk, venison, wild boar, wagyu, and a variety of seasonals that we will have time to time.
That's awesome. I don't think I've ever tried any of those kinds of meats at all. So let's hop on and put our own spin on their delicious burgers. Ooh. That looks so good. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, I don't want to like ruin it. It looks like beautiful. Okay, I'll take the first bite. Okay. Oh my god. All right. Mmm. Oh, well, what? What?
Have you guys ever had bison before?
Mmm. This is so good.
Well, you should try some of your own Brussels sprouts.
Oh, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. So we loved the bison burger, but now it's time to put our own spin onto this truck. So we're going to create 2 different types of burgers. I'm going to be doing elk, and she's going to be doing wagyu. What is that?
Wagyu is the best type of beef you can get.
So our burgers are made. Let's move on to our masterpieces. Mwah. All right, so I'm not sure what I should put on here. I'm gonna put on some tomatoes.
I want to put a pineapple on mine.
How do I cut this?
So we do with our pineapple.
And then just cut around. Okay, and then, all right, I'm gonna do some of.
It's pretty good. Just want to get all those little brown pieces off the ends.
I'm gonna put some lettuce on
That
it.
one there. All right. And then what we like to do is we like to toss it on here real quick.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna put just a little bit of garlic on mine. Just a little. Like this. Oh my. Okay, garlic. I like onion. Okay. Maybe some of these. Voila! Masterpiece.
So here's the wagyu patty. It's all ready.
Oh, the wagyu patty. And wagyu. Elk. Oops. Okay.
And who's using the cheese? Who's using the cheese disc before it gets too small?
I have cheese.
It's right here.
Oh,
Scoop
okay.
it up.
Okay. What about the pineapple?
There you go. And then turn it upside down on top of the. There it is.
Ah. Ooh, look at that. I think the pineapple's gonna add a nice touch. All right. I think. Oh, there we go. Pretty. There we go. There we go. Here are our Merrell twins burgers.
We have
So I
wagyu, an onion bun with cheese crust.
I don't
Let's try
know.
this.
Hopefully it tastes good. Oh, that's the elk. That's the elk. Is that good?
It is elk, and it is actually good.
Really?
Thank you.
It's actually good. Wow. Awesome. Okay, so now try mine.
The wagyu with pineapple and arugula and caramelized onion. Bon appetit to me. Juicy.
Cheers.
On the dot. The wagyu wins.
I win! Yay!
So now the winner gets crowned.
Oh, hold on. We have to decrown her from and she gets the upgrade to the bison hat.
Very nice.
Oh my
She
God,
is
I
our
didn't
new
win.
mascot.
Did you try your burger? No, I didn't. I want to try mine. Okay, ready? And go. This is yummy. This is definitely something. The pineapple adds an interesting touch. Like, it's really good. This is delicious. Let me try yours. Want to try mine? Yeah. I almost ate my glove. Mmm. It does have an interesting touch. I think I might like yours better. Something you actually liked, but mine is still good.
Thanks, Bison Burger Truck, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure to stay tuned to see what truck we get on next time. Bye!